So this is the starter cave. At the starter cave there's now a minecart that links the inside to the outside, so whatever you put in here will come out to here. So what is the starter cave? When we go in, it's going to be a bit hitchy because I'm doing multiple things on my PC. So this is the starter cave. It's your choice to what you start with. So you can start with all of these items if you wanted to, or you can just start with particular ones. So this is all of the stuff for the main power system. This is all of the cable system, storage, cars. These are the taxi flares that when placed on the ground, as long as you've got some nuggets and whatnot, you can use this. So taxi to the power station, login, community, dockside, military, hillside, the house 2, which is the other safe house, the tagged car, and then you can obviously just pick it back up. Excuse me. And then there's multiple other items that you can use as well. Now this is the cart. So what you can do is put all of the items that you want and it goes to the outside cart. So this is all at farming, food, bushes. So these are just decorative bushes. So plants, etc. Gold. This is the currency, as well as the vault, as well as all of the building materials to build an external base. Fires, pictures, toilets, everything that you can think of. Now this is the turrets. These are the turrets that you can set up to protect your base. That's the community switch, which goes with the PC. This is the ammo for the turrets. The screens for the PCs. It just goes on and on. There's a lot of stuff. All of the weapons. Buildables, all the lights for the sockets, outside lights, house lights. Excuse me. Tables, all of the clothing, all of the parts. This is the watch display. So you start off with 3 watches. So these are the 3 that you have at the start. And then you can put them into your watch display. Where should we put it? We'll just put it here for now. And then we can put them in there, and then the display on the appropriate box. You can find a lot of them in the world, but there's 18 of them that you can only find in secret areas. I'm going to be doing a playthrough, and then you can find where these 18 are, where the secret areas are. There's all the car parts, all of the storage. There's everything in here. Now the thing to do to be able to save, because once you save and then reload, all of this disappears. So the things that you want, just place a storage box, collect all the things that you want, and put it into the storage box. This way, when you save, everything that's in this storage box will stay. And you can do this everywhere if you want. If you want to start with everything. And you put a storage box here, collect all of the stuff, put it into the storage box, even stack them. So you'll be able to stack the storage boxes. And then place everything into the storage box. These stay, everything else will disappear. Only when you save and then leave the game and then load, everything in here will go, other than what you've stored. But yeah, this is the starting cave. I'll just give you a quick brief explanation of the saving. and I'll show you how it works. So once you're out and you can save, so this save comes up. So in the starting cave, you can't save. Out in the open, you can. So let's just save this. That's a warning to say that you have to resume and wait. In the top right hand corner it says saving. You have to wait for it to stop, and then now it's saved. Now you can go, I'll go to main menu and I'll show you how the starting cave looks when it's empty. Play, load, bubba. Bubba. So with the cars, you have to make sure that they're claimed. If you don't claim it, when you load, it'll disappear. That's another tip. So now we've loaded, every shelf is empty. That's just because I dropped the item and it saved that item. But every shelf is now empty. Only the parts that you put into the boxes will stay. And that's the starting cave. Let's move on to the next thing. It's fun.